Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that is crucial for any marketer or sales professionals out there. HubSpot sequences versus workflows. If you're using HubSpot or considering it, you have probably come across these terms. But what are they and how do they differ? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about sequences. Imagine you have got a list of potential leads or contacts. You want to reach out to each of them individually, but doing it manually would take ages. That's where sequences come in handy. With sequences, you can create a series of personalized emails that are sent out automatically based on specific triggers, like when a contact opens an email or visits your websites. This helps you streamline your outreach process, saving your time and ensuring that no leads falls through the cracks. Plus, you can track the performance of each sequences to see what's working and what is not. Now let's switch gears to workflows. Think of workflows as your behind-the-scenes marketing automations engine. Instead of just focusing on individual contacts, workflows allows you to automate entire processes based on a set of rows or triggers. For example, you could set up a workflow to automatically enroll contacts into a nurturing campaign after they download a piece of content from your website. With workflows, the possibilities are endless. You can automate lead nurturing, lead scoring, follow-up tasks, and so much more. It's like having a virtual assistant working around the clock to keep your marketing and sales efforts on track. So which one should you use? Well, it depends on your specific needs and goals. If you're focused on individualized outreach and communications, sequences are the way to go. But if you're looking to automate complex processes and workflows, then workflows are your best bet. Of course, you can also use them together to create powerful, multi-dimensional campaigns that engage your audience at every stage of the buyer's journey. And there you have it, a breakdown of HubSpot sequences versus workflows. I hope this video helped clear up any confusions you may have had. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy marketing.